Hey, what's up, y'all? Dave here. I'm going to show you my favorite recipe that I've been using to just really get a quick head start on anytime I'm writing anything. I use this recipe called the Idea Factory. So I'm going to go ahead and run this here for you. Basically what this does is it gives you very quickly a bunch of different ideas and angles about a product that you are trying to write about here. And so the first section here is basically what you're going to paste over into the title and the content description. And so here I would just cut that out. I would put in, Pro V1 golf ball. I'm going to copy that, paste into there. Okay, this other one you're going to paste into the content description box. It says create interesting persuasive marketing copy ideas to sell whatever title is Pro V1. I'll paste that over there. Now I'm going to leave these next two things at the top of my document. So the product name is title is Pro V1. Product description is going to paste that off of the website there. So I'm going to leave those there. And then now what I'm going to do is just go through and run through every single one of these one at a time in order to just generate different ideas. Now, it's not always amazing. I'll do this without adding all the stuff there. It's not going to all be amazing, but what it is going to do is going to give you some different ideas, different angles, different descriptive words, different headlines, different ways to say things, different angles, different benefits before you start anything. And so this is a template, a recipe that I really recommend before you get started with whatever you're working on that day. Go and just one at a time, run down the list and run all of these here. It's going to give you a document with a bunch of different ideas that you should be able to assemble into some really great copy. And I've been using this, and it's just a lot of fun and a really cool way to go. It's kind of a weird one with comedians. I'm going to update that. But a really cool way to go and just get a bunch of different angles here. So this is what I call the Idea Factory. It's a starting place for all your copy needs. Go check it out. I think you're going to have a lot of fun with it, and it's going to help break through the writer's block. Enjoy.